Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you've been well. Today's video is a custom tutorial on how to remove the plastic layer from the off-white Nike Waffle Racer. It's pretty straightforward and you don't need much. Here's what you'll need: an X-Acto knife, seam ripper, and tweezers. Starting at the top of the laces, pull back the plastic and gently cut the white thread with the X-Acto knife. Continue to do this all around the shoe. You'll need to cut the plastic in different areas to give yourself some slack and make it easier to cut the thread. Towards the bottom of the shoe, the plastic layer is actually glued on, and we're going to leave that there, so you'll want to cut just above the white thread. Continue to cut the plastic and white thread together around the shoe until the layer comes off. Don't press down too hard with the X-Acto knife when you're cutting so you don't rip the nylon and or suede by accident. Once you've completely removed the plastic layer, use tweezers to remove all the residual white thread on the upper. Use the seam ripper as well throughout the process to help remove the thread. This process takes the longest to do, so don't rush and take your time. This is what the shoe looks like once you're done. You can leave it as is or do 2 additional steps. Paint the remaining plastic black and cut off the spikes on the outsole to give the shoe a more seamless look. I used Angela's flat black acrylic leather paint on the plastic and an X-Acto knife for the spikes. The black paint actually gives the shoe a dipped look, but to be honest, you can't really see it unless you're looking at it up close. Also, I'm not a fan of the spikes, so I removed them and it feels like a regular waffle sole. Some people only removed certain areas of the plastic layer, so it's really up to you how much you want to cut off. Because I removed most of it, the off-white branding came off with the plastic, which I'm fine with. Sizing wise, I have narrow feet and went true to size, but probably could have gone a half size down for a snug fit. They still fit me fine though. I really like how these turned out. Let me know what you think of this custom in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.